जिसके खाकी रंग की खातिर कई बदन खुश्क हुए, जिसके ठंडे साए की कीमत एक अहद के ख्वाब हुए। अपनी मिट्टी अपनी छाँव क्यों प्यारी है, हमसे पूछो।
Pakistan, a confused state which don't know what to do, when to do. A state born with many ideologies. तकरीबन 100 साल हम इसी चीज़ पे लड़ते रहे that Muslims and Hindus can't live together. But Jinnah साहब अपनी 11th अगस्त की स्पीच में कहते हैं that Pakistan will be a secular state. If Pakistan was meant to be a secular state, then why couldn't Muslims live in a secular India? Politicians and people throughout the history used this mess of ideologies. Well, for their own interests, but tragically, the one who bore the brunt of all was Pakistan. The dream of thriving homeland now stands at the brink of haunting questions. Will Pakistan even survive? Will Pakistan even survive?
हमारे बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाता है कि पीपल लाइक मोहम्मद बिन कासिम आर आर हीरोज, यहाँ तक कि आर फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट नेम्ड हिम द फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ पाकिस्तान. However, in reality, they are just Arab generals who came here for land. And if you switch to TV, you will find article going on. जैसे हमारे पाकिस्तानी भाई रेडी होंगे कि वो अपने घोड़े निकाल कर अभी नोयान को हराने जा रहे हैं.
77 years passed and we are still confused. At the times we want to bring back Khilafat, and at the same time we are dying for visas of Europe. We shout out for Sharia law today and then preach secularism tomorrow. So 70 साल बीत गए और अभी तक अपने अंदर ये सोच नहीं पैदा कर सके कि what we want to follow and what we are following.
You often hear these kind of statements echoing everywhere in Pakistan. We're not that conservative. हम इतने भी तंग ख्यालात के मालिक नहीं हैं. Followed by the same people saying, well, we're not that open-minded or liberal either. लेकिन जब हम शादियों पे जाते हैं तो we're playing Indian songs. But if someone mention we come from Indian roots, तो अचानक से it feels like we're insulted by someone. We embrace cultural influences but deny their origins when confronted. Our attire mixes tradition and Western fashion, yet we hesitate to fully claim either. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Do you think people like Mahmoud Ghaznavi and Muhammad bin Qasim are heroes for Pakistan?
Mahmoud Ghaznavi and Muhammad bin Qasim, no, I don't think they are heroes of Pakistan. Mahmoud Ghaznavi was a huge land destructor, and Hajjaj bin Yusuf, he was a womanizer. And I don't think Islam needs to be forced to anyone. It's a religion. You need to accept it on your faith basis.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
So, how would you want to see Pakistan, as a secular state or as an Islamic state?
I guess I would like to see Pakistan as a secular state. That's more practical.
But don't you think a country with 97% Muslim population should be a Islamic state with Sharia law implementing?
That's a very nice point actually, but the thing is that there are a lot of sectors and every sector has their own Islamic rule. So technically there is diversity in Islam now. So we cannot really follow the single sector at a time. Like there's a lot of violence and counter enmity happening. So that's not possible.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your good name?
My name is Muhammad Sulaiman.
So what do you think people like Mahmoud Ghaznavi and Muhammad bin Qasim are the heroes for Pakistan?
I don't think, in my opinion, they were just Arab generals who just came here for the land and the money in the subcontinent. Mahmoud Ghaznavi, he was just a destroyer, and he just destroyed everything in the subcontinent. And Muhammad bin Qasim, he was not a bad person. He was a warrior. And the commanding general at that time, Hajjaj bin Yusuf, he was a very big womanizer at that time. So I don't think they were heroes for Islam, because Islam was not spread by sword, was not meant to be spread by the sword.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, I have a question for you. Do you think the people like Mahmoud Ghaznavi and Muhammad bin Qasim are hero for Pakistan?
Yes, they are hero for Pakistan and most importantly for Islam, and they play a huge role in spreading Islam in subcontinent.
Okay, don't you think like they did a lot of destruction in subcontinent?
Yes, there were some bad sides, yeah, but they did their role in spreading Islam in subcontinent.
Thank you.
वो शेक्सपियर का है ना कि जब वो है या नहीं है, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे एकदम उकसाहट सी हुई कि वो हस्ती या फना, whether this nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of this outrageous fortune, or to take arms against the sea of troubles, and by opposing end them, to die, to sleep no more, and by sleep to say we end the heartache and the thousand natural shocks that is flesh eye to. This a consummation devotedly to be wished, to die, to sleep perchance to dream. Revolutions are important, guys, because blood is better than tears, and I am sensing a big revolution that is trailing behind us to give us the answer of this question: who we are actually. कौन है हम?